Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're analyzing USDCAD and we're going to break down the latest news and technical analysis, giving you the complete picture of this dynamic currency pair. Let's start with the current events and news affecting the USDCAD. The Canadian dollar has been under pressure due to the Bank of Canada's, BC, aggressive interest rate cut of 50 basis points, BPS, to 3.75%. The market anticipates further easing in December, contributing to the CAD's weakness. Soft Canadian GDP data also contributed to the dovish bet. The US dollar to Canadian dollar is expected to be driven by diverging central bank policies in 2024, with the Canadian economy projected to face headwinds in the second half of the year. The correlation between the Canadian dollar and crude oil is expected to hold firm, as a global growth slowdown could hamper crude oil prices next year. The Canadian economy is expected to enter a recession in the first half of 2024. Economic data to watch for US dollar to Canadian dollar movements includes the trade account balance and inflation indicators like the CPI and PPI. Now, let's turn our attention to the charts, starting with the daily chart. The daily chart shows a strong upward trend for USDCAD, with the pair breaking above its recent resistance levels. This upward momentum suggests that the US dollar is gaining strength against the Canadian dollar, likely driven by the diverging monetary policies of the US Federal Reserve and the Bank of Canada. We can see a clear upward trend since the end of September, possibly indicating that the market is anticipating a bullish outcome in the US election, like a red sweep, which could further boost the US dollar. Additionally, disappointment in Chinese stimulus could also weaken the Canadian dollar and strengthen the US dollar. The daily chart suggests that the bulls are in control, but it's important to look at the 1-hour chart for more detail. The 1-hour chart provides a more granular view of the recent price action. We can see that the USDCAD has been consolidating around the 1.3900 level. The price is currently testing resistance at this level, which could lead to a pullback. However, the 1-hour chart also shows signs of bullish momentum as the price has been breaking above the 30 SMA. This indicates that the bulls are attempting to push the price higher. However, the RSI is showing a bearish divergence, suggesting that the momentum of the rally may be slowing. This could lead to a pullback or consolidation before the USDCAD resumes its upward trend. To get a deeper understanding of the short-term trends, we need to zoom in on the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart shows a lot of volatility. The price has been moving in a relatively tight range, suggesting indecision among traders. However, the price is currently trading above the 1.3900 level, which could be a sign of a bullish breakout. Looking back at the last few days on the 1-hour chart, we can see that the USDCAD has been testing the 1.3900 level for several hours. This suggests that this level is a significant resistance level for the pair. If the USDCAD manages to break above this level, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. However, if the price fails to break above 1.3900, it could suggest that the bullish momentum is waning and the pair may pull back. So, what are the key price levels to watch? The 1.3900 level is a crucial level to watch, as it's a significant resistance level for the pair. If the USDCAD manages to break above 1.3900, the next target could be the 1.4000 level. On the other hand, if the price fails to break above 1.3900, the next support level could be around 1.3800. In conclusion, the USDCAD is currently in a volatile phase, with both bullish and bearish forces at play. The pair has shown strong upward momentum in recent weeks, but the price is currently testing resistance at the 1.3900 level. Breaking above 1.3900 could signal a continuation of the bullish trend, but failure to break above this level could lead to a pullback. The 1.3900 level is a crucial resistance level to watch, with potential targets at 1.4000 and support at 1.3800. Traders should closely monitor the price action around these levels and be prepared to adjust their trading strategies accordingly. The USDCAD is a dynamic pair, and the market can change quickly. So, stay tuned for further updates and analysis as we continue to monitor the market. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.